Unlocking AI, your ultimate guide to content creation. What's up everyone, it's IMR back with another video. And this time we're diving deep into the world of AI for content creation. Yeah, you heard that right, AI. It's not just some futuristic fantasy, it's here, it's now, and it's changing the game. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this video is your one-stop shop to understanding how AI can supercharge your content game. We'll be breaking down 9 essential tips, from brainstorming ideas to optimizing your content for maximum reach. We'll cover specific tools, tips, and tricks so you can walk away feeling confident and ready to implement these strategies right away. So buckle up because things are about to get interesting. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly AI and how does it fit into the world of content creation? Think of AI as your super smart assistant, ready to help you generate ideas, write compelling copy, and even create stunning visuals. To really grasp its power, let's go straight to the source. Open up your browser and head over to OpenAI's ChatGPT website or any other free AI tool you prefer. Once you're logged in, type in a simple question or topic related to your niche. Let's say you're into fitness. You could ask, "Tell me about the benefits of HIIT workouts." Hit enter and watch how ChatGPT responds with relevant and informative content. It's like having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend who's always ready to share insights. This simple exercise demonstrates how AI can be a valuable resource for gathering information and sparking new ideas. And trust me, this is just scratching the surface. We've all been there, staring at a blank page, the dreaded cursor blinking, waiting for inspiration to strike. Well, say goodbye to writer's block because AI is here to supercharge your brainstorming sessions. Using ChatGPT or your preferred AI tool, try typing in a prompt like, "What are some engaging Instagram post ideas for travel bloggers?" Hit enter and watch as the AI generates a list of potential topics, each tailored to capture the attention of travel enthusiasts. You might find suggestions like top 10 hidden gems in Bali or packing hacks for adventure travelers. The beauty of AI is its ability to tap into vast databases of information, identifying trends and popular search terms to give you a head start in crafting content that resonates with your target audience. And don't be afraid to get specific. Want to focus on sustainable travel? Simply refine your prompt to something like eco-friendly travel tips for budget-conscious backpackers. The more specific you are, the more targeted and helpful the suggestions will be. Remember, AI is a tool to enhance your creativity, not replace it. Use these suggestions as a springboard for your own unique ideas and perspectives. Now let's talk about actually that awesome content. AI writing tools have come a long way, and trust me, they're not just for churning out robotic, soulless text. For this example, we'll use copy.ai, but feel free to experiment with other options like Writesonic or even the free version of ChatGPT. The key here is to be specific with your prompts. Instead of just typing "write about coffee," try something like craft a 300-word blog post about the history of coffee, highlighting its origins in Ethiopia and its global journey. See the difference? The more detailed your instructions, the more focused and engaging the output will be. Once the AI generates the draft, take some time to review and refine it. Add your own personal touch, anecdotes, experiences, or even a touch of humor. Remember, AI is great at providing a solid foundation, but it's your unique voice and perspective that will truly captivate your audience. Chapter 4: Visual Content Creation with AI. In the age of Instagram and TikTok, visuals are king, but you don't need to be a Photoshop wizard to create eye-catching graphics. AI-powered design tools like Canva are here to level up your visual game. Head over to Canva and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Choose the social media template and select the Instagram post size. Now let's say you're creating content about healthy eating. Type healthy food into the Canva search bar and browse through the library of templates. Pick a design that catches your eye and start customizing. Swap out images, experiment with fonts and colors, and don't forget to incorporate your AI-generated text. Canva also offers an AI-powered text-to-image feature. Simply type in a description of the image you have in mind, like a plate of colorful fresh vegetables, and watch as Canva generates it for you. It's like magic, but better. Chapter 5: Enhancing SEO with AI. You've poured your heart and soul into creating amazing content, but what good is it if no one sees it? That's where SEO comes in, and yes, AI can be your secret weapon. Tools like SurferSEO analyze your content and provide actionable insights to help you rank higher in search results. Start by pasting your latest blog post or article into SurferSEO's content editor. Then, choose a primary keyword that best describes your topic. SurferSEO will then work its magic, showing you which keywords to include and where to improve your content for maximum visibility. Pay attention to the missing keywords list and try to incorporate them naturally within your text. Remember, the goal is to optimize for both search engines and human readers. By harnessing the power of AI-driven SEO tools, you can ensure your content reaches the right audience at the right time. Chapter 6. Personalization and Audience Engagement with AI Building. A loyal audience is all about connecting on a personal level, but who has time to answer every single message or email? Don't worry, AI-powered chatbots are here to save the day. Platforms like Zapier allow you to create and customize your own chatbot to engage with website visitors in real time. Head over to Zapier.com and sign up for a free account. Follow the user-friendly setup guide to create a chatbot that aligns with your brand's voice and personality. Craft a few welcoming greeting messages like, "Hey there, welcome to our website. What brings you by today?" Then, set up some common questions your chatbot can answer, such as, "What are your hours of operation?" Or, "Do you offer international shipping?" Once your chatbot is live, monitor its interactions and make adjustments as needed. You'll be amazed at how effectively it can handle basic inquiries, freeing up your time to focus on other important tasks. Chapter 7. Content Distribution, Leveraging AI to Maximize Reach. Creating stellar content is only half the battle. The other half? Getting it in front of as many eyeballs as possible. And guess what? AI can help with that too. Social media scheduling tools like Buffer and Hootsuite are essential for any content creator looking to streamline their distribution process. Sign up for either platform and connect your social media accounts. Then, head over to the post scheduler and choose a date and time for each post. The beauty of these tools is their AI-powered recommendations for the best times to post based on your audience's activity patterns. With your content scheduled in advance, you can sit back, relax, and let the AI work its magic, ensuring your posts reach your followers at the optimal time for maximum engagement. Chapter 8. Measuring Success and Adjusting Your AI Strategy. In the world of content creation, data is king. Knowing what works and what doesn't is crucial for refining your strategy and achieving your goals. Google Analytics is your best friend when it comes to tracking website traffic and understanding how people interact with your content. Log into your Google Analytics dashboard and pay close attention to key metrics like page views, average time on page, and bounce rate. These metrics provide valuable insights into which pieces of content are resonating with your audience and which ones might need some tweaking. If you're using a marketing automation platform like HubSpot, dive into its reporting features to gain even deeper insights into your audience's behavior and preferences. Remember, AI is not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Continuously analyze your data, experiment with different approaches, and don't be afraid to adjust your strategy based on the insights you gather. Chapter 9. Future Trends in AI-Powered Content Creation. The world of AI is constantly evolving, which means the possibilities for content creation are limitless. To stay ahead of the curve, make it a habit to follow AI tech blogs, subscribe to industry newsletters, and engage in online forums where experts share their insights. Don't be afraid to experiment with new AI features as they become available. Many tools are constantly updating their capabilities, offering even more powerful and intuitive ways to create compelling content. Consider exploring advanced customization options like building a custom chatbot that aligns perfectly with your brand's voice and personality. The more you learn and adapt, the better equipped you'll be to leverage the full potential of AI in your content creation journey. So, there you have it, folks. Your crash course in AI-powered content creation. Remember, you don't have to become an AI expert overnight. Start by experimenting with one or two tools that pique your interest. Get comfortable with the basics, then gradually explore more advanced features. And most importantly, have fun with it. AI is an incredibly powerful tool that can unlock a world of creative possibilities. So, embrace the future of content creation and see where this exciting journey takes you. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends.